Hey students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach for UKG students and the subject is environmental studies and the topic is my home. Students, we all love home, isn't it? After our daily work, after we have been to school, when we come back to our home, we feel at ease, isn't it? And at home, we have different types of rooms, okay? Different rooms for our different purposes, isn't it? So, come let's study in this chapter what are there. This is my home. See, this is the picture of a home. There are different rooms in my home. So, as we all know, there are different rooms in our home. So, what we have to do? Draw a line to match the name with these rooms. So, there are some names of rooms. We have to draw the line. Okay, we have to match it with rooms. So, the first room is, see, the boy is sleeping. So, what do you call this room as? Where do you sleep? Yes, in bedroom. Okay, so this is called bedroom. So you have to match with this. Then the next one is, see, mixture grinder, oven, then some utensils are there, gas oven is there, fridge is there, vegetables are there. So what do you think this room is called? Yes, you are correct. This is kitchen where your mother makes delicious food. So you have to match this room with this word kitchen. The next one is where your papa is reading newspaper. Some sofas are there. Very beautifully it is decorated. A table is there. Okay? TV is there. So what do you call this as? This is living room. Yes. So you have to draw a line with this room and this word. Then see, the boy is taking his bath in a tub, bathtub. There is a basin, okay, bucket, okay, commode. All this are placed in this room. A shower. So what do you think this room is called? Yes, this is bathroom where we get fresh. So this we will be doing in WhatsApp class. The next page about living room. So what is living room? Do you know what is living room? Where we spend most of the time with our guest. When your guest arrives, you make them to sit in the living room. And what is there in the living room? Circle the things which you see in the living room. What do you see in the living room? Yes, television we see. Do you see bed? No, we don't see bed. You don't have to circle. Then curtains. Yes, we keep a curtain out there. Then sofas. Yes, we place sofa over that room. Then sleepers, no, we should keep our sleepers outside the room. Pillow, no, it should be in the bedroom. Then wall clock, yes, you can place there a wall clock. Table, yes, you can place there in living room. Gas oven, no, it should be in kitchen. Then carpet, yes, you can place over there. Microwave, no, this should be kept in the kitchen. And soap, and this also should be kept in the bathroom. So you have to circle what is there, what do you see in the living room. You are clear with this chapter? Then next, bedroom. What do you see in the bedroom? This is my bedroom. Look at these things in bedroom, write their names. So you have to write the names of all the things which you can see in this picture. This also we will be doing in WhatsApp. Then bathroom. Tick the things which you see in the bathroom. See, some pictures are given here. You have to tick the things which you see in the bathroom. This also we will be doing in WhatsApp. And kitchen. Write the name of things which are kept in the kitchen. So you have to write all the things which are kept in the kitchen. This also we will be doing in WhatsApp. Look at the given boxes. Paste the sticker on these places. Write K for the kitchen and B for bathroom and L for the living room under each one. So you have to place some stickers which you got in your books, when you got your books, some pictures were given, so you have to paste the pictures or the stickers in this place, and you have to write K for kitchen, B for bathroom, and L for living room, and write under each one. Okay, so you have to write the names under each one. So this chapter is clear, I think. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.